When you say intelligence will be outsourced, do you think that that intelligence, specifically agentic, and we talk about super AI and then God AI, do you think that can attain a consciousness of its own at some stage? Or like the example that we spoke about, right? The goal-oriented agentic AI model. Could there be decision making which may eventually be adverse for the humanity itself? Could there be governments functioning basis AI or AI being elected, as is the common prediction?
I would imagine there will be AI running companies, right? I don't know about government. Government is a people-driven organization, but companies are driven by economics,
Yes.
right? So there's no such thing as carnage, right? It's so I can imagine AI CEOs, yes, right? And we are actually, in Green Robotics, we were building some areas of that. So yes, I would imagine that you will leave your top most decision making to artificial intelligence.
And do you think that corporates will become more and more powerful in the world to come? Because they would be the ones owning this technology.
Yeah, the corporates that are owning this technology will get more and more powerful. Of course, they will.
Even more powerful than the government?
I would say that yes, but with a pinch of salt. No matter how powerful a company gets, it can never beat a government. I mean, they can try, and the government can never beat a religion. It's always a thing. So, yes, you can get more powerful, but it's not the same thing. It's not companies and governments never fight.
They have to go hand in hand.
Yeah, and so there's religion, right? You can't. Government and government can fight.
Yeah.
You cannot fight religion. You can't.
So in that world, which may not be very, very far away,
Right.
imagine the strength of AI as a system,
Right.
and the capability that AI will have because of integration with defense technology. Because control on defense tech essentially means control on the geographies, which we see even today, right? Why do we need generation 6, generation 7 aircrafts? Essentially to be able to establish control. With that kind of control, being with AI,